So we are going to Alice School.
Magsundo kami kay Ellie. First time ni Terrence magsundo kay Ellie today. And then hindi niya alam kasi spontaneous lang to. Surprise.
Pero gusto jud ben ako siya sundoon.
Gani. First time makita din ni Terrence ang school. So we're
From
walking.
video call to personal.
Pakita namin ng school later pero bawal pag nandyan na yung kids kasi very strict ang ano dito.
Ang law sa mga kids. No,
Video
bawal mag-video or pictures na merong kids.
Gani. Hindi ata kita ma-videohan.
Ay, okay lang.
Ay, tayo na lang ang i-video or siya. Hindi pwede kasi may kids. Bye-bye. See you later. Sabi mo, hello guys.
Hello, guys!
Sino nagsundo sa'yo?
Ninong!
Ninong! Ninong sundo, Ellie.
Okay, nandiyan tayo.
Ta-da!
That's right way.
Mm-hmm.
Left.
Left. Very good. Open na.
Right?
Yay! Good job. Ninong has a surprise. Are you closing your eyes?
Yeah.
Close. Open. Wow, Ninong will give you Tanjiro. What do you say?
I don't want it.
Why?
First time. Ellie, where are we going?
Watch a show.
It's our first time to watch a movie in the cinema.
I
Chicago
only
Ventura sa Compare
watch movies with Mom and Brenda.
It's time to ready, set, uno!
Go. Good job. Ali, marami doon, doon. Sheesh. Doon, sa taas. Sige, marami. Go, go.
Nag-picture sila sa...
So young.
Makita ko ba siya? Asan na?
Right here.
Where? Oh, there. Sabi mo, Star Spider.
Mr. Spider!
We've been waiting for you.
We've been waiting for you.
Sige.
1, 2, 3. Wow!
Marpa. Blow harder. Harder. Yun. Good job. Mahal. Hello, Ali.
Hello. Baby! Can I have a wee wee before we go there?
Doon ka na sa beach mag-easy. Wow, beach body. Hey!
Nag-gym talaga ako bago pumunta dito.
Ano?
Nag-gym ako eh.
Baywatch. La 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 la.
Imbes na boobs yung ano eh. Chan yung ano.
Go.
This one's for the...
Boys,
Kaso!
for the boom system. Ang shades mo ah. Go boy! Shades. Sige, go!
Ako na!
Go, Robert! kasi buong katawan. Akin yung shades mo. Buong katawan para hindi malamig. Dapat buong katawan ko.
Baka na wala.
Go! Laban.
Pizza needles.
Ellie. You're tired. Sleep, ikaw sleep. We have a failed tent, so she made it a blanket. There's a bee sitting on the sun with Ellie. Ano yun sabihin mo sa bee?
We come out and fly and go and smell the flowers.
Go to the flowers, no?
And don't go on the sand. Don't smell the sand. Because it's not flowers.
G. Gino, oh. Oh, ikaw ano ba yan? Dali naman. Oo. Oo. Tangin na pre, namamaniti pa ako. Namamaniti. Ina. Hello.
Sabi ni Ali, I wanna go with Papa. Let's bring Ali to the beach!
What would you like for dessert? We have normal ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry.
Strawberry.
And ice lolly. We have and we have then we have sprinkle ice lolly and a chocolate ice lolly and a strawberry ice lolly.
I like a sprinkle ice lolly.
Okay. When sprinkle ice cream, then what kind of drink you have? Like, would you like orange juice, pineapple juice, or just normal water?
Normal water.
Okay, one normal water. Papa, what would you like your drink for?
Oh, do you have a fizzy drink there?
Yes.
What fizzy drink do you have?
We just have chocolate.
Chocolate fizzy drink.
Oh, that sounds bubbly. Yeah, I'll have that one.
Chocolate fizzy drink. Then I'll just ask Brenda's drink.
Okay.
Hello, guys. We have a swimsuit on. You wonder why? We have a pool. Mama,
I'll change my camera. Ay, hello.
I don't know how to change the camera. How do we change the camera? Hello, guys. I have banana.
Ayan.
Pumper.
Asan yung? Meron ko siyang pin eh. Sige, hawakan ko na lang ito.
Meron din tayong yung sa paa ng gani. Remember mo yung ganyan-ganyan sila ng pump?
Alam to yan. Nagpumper si Mia in the weekend. That Pampers si Mia Sawita and Nana and Mama. Meron may glitter sa hair niya. Hello. I have some string. I have a Peppa Pig mermaid swimsuit. Bom, 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 bom.
Talk to the camera.
Hello. I have my twins.
Sabi ni, Nana bought me a pool.
Nana Papi Pool. Cannibal!
Smiley ka.
We falling! Bom!
What you do is you will crack it here and then put the egg there para hindi mag-messy. So crack it on the plate. Crack it on the plate. You can do it.
Yeah. That's it?
Is that it? Are you sure?
Yeah. I have.
And how will you open it there?
I don't know. Help me.
See, crack it. You put your fingers. Ito lang pa. You put your fingers in the middle. Oh, there. Ayan. You can do it. Come on. Hold it.
I don't want to.
Hold it on the other side and then open. Well done! Good job! Yay!
Ew.
Ew. Got it!
Ready?
Ulit, yeah. Ah,
It's bad, but it's
that's what Papa wanted! Okay, yay!
Papa, it's...
Hello guys, day in life of a nurse after shifts. Just sitting around, you know, the who. Tatago
Got
kami.
nothing to do here. Chill life.
We're hiding from our
place ever.
matron.
Yung life of a UK
Of
nurse.
course, we're a UK theater nurse.
Of course!
Of course, we're a theater UK
Of course,
nurse.
we just chill. We're
We're
just waiting for
finishing
the
it.
time to finish.
6 o'clock, wala na kaming ginagawa.
We've been like this for 5 hours.
Of course, we're from DTC.
tomorrow.
Of course, we're from DTC. Busog kami from the buffet.